back to Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some roasted butterfly chicken legs. In order to make these beautiful butterfly chicken legs, look at that, they look just like this. You're going to need some chicken drumsticks. You're going to need some olive oil, some chicken bouillon, some granulated garlic, granulated onion, some seasonal, some black pepper, guys, and some oregano. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to butterfly these chicken. So, I'm going to pull this up a little closer so if you guys can see. I'm going to come in, I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so you can see. Alright. So, this, we're going to cut on the sides. You're going to take a paring knife, a nice sharp one, go right in on the sides. Don't go all the way through to the back, just cut down the sides, just like that. And then, move this piece. See how that flaps over? Now we're going to go in. There. Just like that. Now we're going to see how it falls down? Like butterfly wing. Now we're going to go into the thickest part. I'm going to go in on the side, just like I said. Don't go all the way through. Not go all the way through, but if you do, it's okay. It's fine. Go in again. And what this does is help that chicken cook faster, and you can get dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes. Get that on the side, just like so. Boom. Let me get around here. There it is. It's open. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Alright. So all our chicken has been butterflied. So now we're going to go in with some olive oil. About a 4-pepper cup. I'm going to go in with some black pepper. There's no, specific order to put this stuff in. Just get it in your bowl. And also, that seasoning is going to go all the way through that chicken and be so tasty. Now, a couple tablespoons with the oregano. And we're going to go in with some chicken bouillon, guys. Not too much of this now, maybe like 2 teaspoons of that. But it is salty, and remember, we opened that chicken up. And we did add some seasoning. Now garlic powder in there, a couple tablespoons. Same with the onion powder, maybe a tablespoon and a half. There. Now we have all of this in. Now we're going to go in and just mix it in. Just get in there and just mix it in. Just like so. Absolutely beautiful. I've already washed this chicken with a little vinegar, some white vinegar, and some salt. And I rinsed it thoroughly after I pulled off all the feathers and scrubbed it with my hands. Yes. We have beautiful chicken here. Right. Now let's move this out the way. And I'll be right back. Alright. Now, we're going to take it, we're going to set it skin side down. Like that. And I've already sprayed this pan with some non-stick cooking spray. We're just going to get chicken in there. This time I will not be overcrowding my pan like the last chicken I cooked. But it was still so tender, so juicy and delicious, even though I overcrowded that pan. But when you fry and stuff, I suggest do not overcrowd your pan, because it will not cook properly. You will not achieve a crispy chicken. This chicken to open up, so I'm gonna switch spots with this chicken. Put the little one right there. There we go. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Beautiful butterfly chicken that we getting ready to roast in the oven on 400 degrees, guys. All right, so I'll see you back here when this chicken is all done, and we're going to give it a taste, and you're going to see how beautiful and delicious this chicken is. Okay, guys, so now it's time to get a great taste of this butterfly oven roasted drumsticks, guys. Go in on this thing. Look at the juiciness in those drumsticks. Oh, okay. Let's see what we have done here. Oh yeah. Yeah, crunchy part. This thing is so good. So flavorful. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. You know, please subscribe so that I can get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.